Hey, boys and girls, the Junkman at the grill again. That's right. About to do another whole chicken, rotisserie style. Got it all seasoned up, buttered up. Got my 815 herbs and spices. Oh, yeah. She ready to go. It's time to flip the switch and let it start doing what it do. When y'all see it again, it's going to be cooked and ready to go. Here we go. All right, boys and girls, Junkman at the grill. And check her out. Look at her. Ain't she pretty? Got that nice golden brown, crispy skin action going. And she's been cooking for about an hour at 400 degrees. And I'm going to check that temperature internally and see what she's looking like. So hold on. All right, boys and girls, check out that temperature right there. I was shooting for 400, and I pretty much had it there for most of the cooking cycle. But when I filmed that last part, it doesn't quite get back up to 400. But when I stuck the probe in to check the temperature, you could hear the skin just crack. So it is so nice and toasty. But now it's time to check the internal temperature and see what it looks like. So as you see, I got two probes there. I'm looking for 165 degrees. The probes are not plugged into anything. That's why they're pretty much showing the temperature outside right now. And it is a tad bit warm. But let's take a look at the internal temperature of this rotisserie bad boy. Okay, as you can see, we are well past our 165 internal temperature. I'm going to go ahead and turn the burners off because we don't need them puppies to be on anymore. So now, oh man, look at this bad boy. Look at this bad boy. Check her out. She's all golden brownie and just, oh, golly, does that look good or what, y'all? Does that look good? You know it's going to taste good. You know it is. I'm going to take some more temperature readings. But I think this bird's pretty much done. Hold on, let me check a couple other places. All right, boys and girls, check it out. Brought the bird in the crib. Notice, wings gone already. Gone. Wife saw them wings, boy. Them puppies is gone. But let me show you how tender this bad boy is. Let me show you how tender it is. Check it out. Let me see if I can hold my phone and do this at the same time. Check out this leg right here. Check out this leg. Let me grab it here. Check this out. Oh, that bad boy. Oh, that bad boy trying to come right off of there. But ain't gotta even gotta get cut it. It's just ready to come off. I'm telling you. Grub is going. This chicken going in my pot pie. It's going in my chicken pot pie. The white meat is. But oh yeah, that puppy's ready to go. Junkman, shining out.